Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make my new EDC gear for the year 2024 all the way to December. So uh, this is not just I am not planning to what is this called, I am not planning to change it by 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 another month or by another day or by another you know sometimes, right? So it's because other EDC YouTubers that they have also an EDC for winter, EDC for fall, right? So for me here in Philippines, I don't have to change it by uh, something like that. So but just in case we have two season here in Philippines. We have the rainy season and also we have the sunny season, right? Summer and I think summer, and we have summer here. We have summer and also we have dry season. Okay, this is gonna summer or dry, or I think it is a rainy season, right? Okay. It's sunny and rainy here in our country, Philippines. So for today, vlogs, okay, for my entire EDC, for the entire year 2024, and this is my EDC, okay. And then I think I think I'm gonna make some EDC for the summer, right, and also EDC for the winter. So I think three, right? I'm gonna make a three EDC for today's year. So okay, and let's gonna start it off with my full EDC gear that I have been using this whole year of 2024. So okay, let's gonna start it up, which is also I have this one right here, and which is also still I'm using my EDC pouch, my EDC gear pouch that I have been using always when I am going out, okay. And this is for by mostly use for my EDC gear for it. So in here I have some pens, also I have some pen, so I always bring some pen and into this mini pouch. It is EDC bag right here, and also inside also I have some mini notebook right here, which also I can use it. So, and I also put some memos in it, put some memos in here. So okay. And also there it goes, guys. We have some over right here, and I have some my poncho right here, and which is I also bring this poncho just in case, emergency poncho for rainy season, right? So I always bring this is because we cannot accurate the weather here in Philippines. That's why I always bring this Ozark Trail outdoor equipment, the emergency poncho, right? And also I've got some also knife right here. So this is my folding knife. This is not the automatic folding knife anymore. It's because the spring is missing. So that's why I have to pull it off like this one, and also like this one. So the spring right here is missing, and also the pressure, that one is missing, is because my folding knife is dropped in the floor or dropped outside. So that's why, it's been damaged, but overall it's still working as a foldable knife, okay. And also I've got some right here. I got some I got some Swiss knife. So multi-tool Swiss knife, okay, multi-tool Swiss tool. Well, for that, okay. All in all, for this is overall many tools, such as knife, okay, can opener. We have some knife. We have some mini scissor, we have some mini saw right here, and also the knife, and also I think what is this one, I forgot what is the one, and also got some in here. Okay, and got some cork opener in here for the wine, and also got some Phillips screwdriver on the other hand right here. Look at that. So Phillips screwdriver on the other hand right there, and also we got some filer. Okay, I don't know what's one. So overall, this is a good idea. Okay, to bring some EDC gears for your stuff, and also I did bring some two. I did bring some two flashlight, emergency flashlight. So as you can see right here is the my LED rechargeable flashlight. So as you can see right there at the back, so you can see, and also we got some COB right there, so just in case. Okay, and then right there, and I can minimize like that one. Okay, uh, right, so as you can see, okay, where is that? Okay, there it goes. Okay, and then back, and then there it goes, right? Nice one, also nice one for uh, emergency flashlight, and also it is a rechargeable one, right? And then also I got here another emergency flashlight, which is a 3-in-1. So in order for you to charge it, you just have to plug it in directly. You just have to plug it in directly into the outlet or USB charger, right? And then also it has 3 modes. It has 3 modes. So as you can see, flashlight. There's a flashlight, and then also there's a UV ray. The next one, and also is the what is this? Okay, the laser. I think it's lobat just because you know been using a lot the laser here. It's because of the cats outside wanted to play with the laser, so cats wanted to play with the laser. Nice one also, and it's a USB rechargeable also. And then next is also I have some fidget spinner over here, so to bring it up. So nice idea for stress reliever, and if you don't have enough, okay, and also very good one also to bring some fidget spinner around. Okay, and then also I get some compass right here, and I think it's a good compass also that you can bring it anywhere. So either you are in traveling, right, and okay, backpacking, bikepacking, or camping, right? So you just have to bring this one. Okay, and this is also a nice compass also to bring it up, right? So, and also the next is I've got some also this my multiplier tool right here. So, and it goes, and I can also bring it anywhere. So many tools that you use. We got some nail polish, so, and then also got some, and then also another one right here is the also many I have some tools. And also on to the next we got some saw right here, mini saw, and then also there's a knife also over it. There's also a knife and a mini Phillips screwdriver right here. So nice one also, and also it is also a foldable one that you can bring it up like this one. So nice, very good, and also nice. And also I think we're almost done. Okay, I think we're almost done. And also I did bring this one. This is my mini telescope, which I am bring it anywhere. So when I am in bike packing, is because I am a cyclist. Okay, it's because I am a cyclist, I also love bike packing. So I always bring this one, and also very good, and good, nice one also. Okay, and then There's a good one also, nice, very nice, compact, mini telescope. Dimension is 30 by 60, and also 126 meter by 1000 meter, and also the field of 7.2 degrees, right? Degrees, okay. There's no Celsius or Fahrenheit, okay. So this only the degree, so 7.2 degree, right? And also this is a good, this is a good compact, this is a good compact, and also you can also, you can put that right here, and then go, there it goes, mini compact, binocular or telescope, mini binocular or mini telescope. So I don't know what's the difference of the two, binocular or telescope, but this one is a telescope, right? Okay, here it goes, and I think okay, so I think that's for my EDC gear for the 2024, right? So and I'm hoping that, okay, and also I'm hoping that you like it. So so that's it for today's vlog, and thank you so much for watching. That is my EDC gear for the year, for the whole year 2024. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more vlogs, okay. And then also see you again on my next video.